Welcome to VR Emotions. Hello, virtual explorers. Welcome back to VR Emotions, where we dive into the digital depths of VR. Today, we are going to create the perfect avatar on MetaQuest 3 so you can express your unique style in the virtual world. So let's get started. First, put on your MetaQuest 3 headset and navigate to the profile section in the bottom left corner of your home screen. Here, you will find the option to edit avatar. Now, the fun part begins. You will see a variety of options to customize your avatar. Choose from different hairstyles, eye shapes, facial features, and more to match your desired look. Don't forget to try out different clothing options to find the perfect outfit. For those who want to fine-tune their avatar, you can adjust the skin tone, hair color, and even the makeup to get every details just right. Remember, you can always hit randomize to mix things up and find new inspiration. you're happy with your creation, it's time to preview your avatar. Make sure everything looks just as you want it in the virtual mirror. If you are satisfied, hit Save to lock in your new digital persona. And there you have it. You have created a perfect avatar that represents you in the MetaQuest 3 universe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more VR tips and tricks. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye-bye.